What is going on, you guys? And we are back for yet another video. This time we're gonna learn how to make a Ronnie J type beat, something that you hear on like Smoke Perp or XXXTentacion or Lil Pump's songs. So we're gonna get into that. I normally don't make these type of beats. I personally don't like 808 distortion, but you know what, I want to give as much content as I can to you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, make sure you leave a like. Don't forget, share this with your friends. Don't forget to leave a comment on any suggestions on videos I can do in the future, or whether you liked it or not. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications. And yeah, let's get into the video. I'll see you guys on my computer. Alright guys, so we're back on my computer, and I've already got a few sounds that I chose out already. So the first one for the melody, I just have one sound for the melody because Ronnie J, with his beats, melodically they're very simple and they're not too complex. So I just chose one sound for the melody. So this is the sound. It's just just a piano, and I'm probably gonna add some gross beat on it. For this 808, I just chose a distorted 808 because we all know Ronnie J loves to distort his 808s. So that's what it sounds like. A simple hi-hat. Oops. Simple hi-hat. A clap, and I'm gonna layer that with a snare. Got bongos, the famous bongos, and just another perk. Alright, so I'm just gonna get started with this beat. I'm gonna start off with the melody. Actually, alright, so I'm gonna start off with the melody, and I'm gonna go put down. Alright. Alright, so yeah, I already put on gross beat on it and slowed it down already, so it sounds like creepy and, you know, dark like Ronnie J's types of melodies. So I'm just gonna keep going, adding more. Alright, now we got a simple melody down. I'm just gonna add excuse me, I'm gonna add some 808s. I'm gonna just keep it in key. Ooh, excuse me. Ooh, 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 ooh. Now the hi-hats. And you know, just gonna make some basic hi-hats. So with Ronny J, his hi-hats are very simple. They're very constant, consistent hi-hats. They don't have that many high or low rolls, but I mean, I'm gonna add a little bit of spice to it. You know, add a little of my touch to it. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, we're gonna do that. Of course, we're gonna have to add a clap in the snare. And then the bongos, of course. Let me save this real quick. Ronny J, listen up. Alright, I'm just gonna EQ the piano a little bit because it's a little low. I can't really hear it. Now, you know what? I'm gonna add a kick. Maybe not a heavy kick. You know what? Screw it. I'm gonna add a heavy kick. I don't care. Bring this all the way down. Add the key. There we go. There we go. Even more punching. So as you can see, Ronny J type beats are not complex at all. Like, they're very simple. They're mostly drum oriented, so the drums is what you're gonna be hearing most of the time when you're making a Ronny J type beat. So with your drums, make sure they punch. Every kick punches, and the 808s are hard, and the snares are hitting hard, and all that. So just keep that in mind when you're making a Ronny J type beat. Also with the melodies, they're very simple. You don't want to add too much to them, or else it's gonna not sound like a Ronny J type beat. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like. Don't forget, leave comments, suggestions on anything you want to hear from me or hear me make or see me make in the future. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already, and don't forget to turn on post notifications while you're at it. Thanks again for watching. Thank you guys so much, and I'm gonna see y'all next time. Peace.